The tech world, especially for us data scientists, is like a evolving beast. It's a thrilling ride, sure, but keeping up can feel like trying to sip water from a firehouse. So, how do we stay afloat in this sea of information without drowning? Allow me to show you some great strategies. First, let's talk about continuous learning. This is not your typical sit in a classroom deal. Nah, this is about being curious and hungry for knowledge every day. There are zillions of online courses out there, from Coursera to Udemy. You got your pick, but don't just stick to data science. Dabble in related fields like machine learning, AI, and even some software development. Broadening your horizons is good for your game. And speak of horizons, let's talk about a specific buzzing trend: large language models, like GPT-4. These boys are redefining what's possible in AI. For data scientists, getting a grip on large language models is crucial. They are not just about understanding text, they are about understanding context, emotion, and even generate new content. So make sure you're up to speed with courses on large language models. They are really crucial in fields like natural language processing. Conferences and meetups. These are not just for collecting cool freebies and sipping on bad coffee, right? Conferences like KDD or even your local meetups are gold mines for networking and learning the latest trends straight from the host's mouth. Plus, present your work can be a huge boost for your career and also your confidence. Give it a try. And let's not forget about the community engagement. Join forums like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or even LinkedIn groups, right? Share your knowledge, ask questions, engage in discussions. Remember, in data science, we are all perpetual students and occasional teachers. Publications and research papers. This is where the magic happens. Tools like Archive, Google Scholars, or ResearchGate are your best friends here. Sure, some papers can be as dense as a black hole, but they are the frontier of data science knowledge. And don't just stick to reading, try your hand and write some papers. It's a great way to solidify your understanding and contribute to the community. There is also the art of following industry leaders and influencers, like me, right? Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, these platforms are swarming with data science gurus. Following them is like you have a front row seat to the latest industry trends, insights, and even debates. Yeah, I know sometimes old school learning is the way to go. Books, yes, those paper things are still relevant. They offer a depth of knowledge that is hard to find in the fast-paced online world. Keep an eye on new releases of timeless classics. And also pay attention. It's very important that you experiment and build projects. Don't just read and listen. Put what you learn into practice. Work on personal projects or even contribute to the open source projects out there. It's like going to the gym for your data science muscles. Communicating your findings, working teams, and understanding business context are just as important as technical skills. So please work on this too, okay? Summarize, stay updated in the ever-changing field of data science in 2024 is about mixing and matching a variety of learning methods. It's about being proactive, stay curious, and not being afraid to dive into new territory, especially in the rapidly expanding realm of large language models. And that's it, guys. If you liked, give me a thumbs up, and if you don't, also give me a thumbs up. Thank you.